Hi, this is Alice from SIB Visions with an overview of how you can set a default value when you insert a new data row. I will again use the Styled Invoice application that you can download from the Solution Store. I will first open the invoice screen in design mode. When I select a table or a data-bound element, I can access data-related actions by clicking on the pencil icon. When I scroll down, I see Create after inserting row. Here I can define the action that is called when a row is inserted. In this case, we want to set a default value for the invoice date. I select Set Current Date from the drop-down, and then the Invoice Date field under Write To. The new number will be calculated from the last invoice number. To do this, we need to enter Calculate Value, the invoice number under Write To, and then the formula, which will be max, open parentheses, then we select invoice number from the list of values, close parentheses, and add 1. I'll click Finish and close the design mode so we can test it. When I click on the Add button, I get a new invoice number, another, and the date is always January 6th. Thanks so much for watching.